I'm Carl Pearson, and as you can see, I'm my own cameraman. I have an important topic to talk about, and that is why local governments should appoint a town or city or county attorney general. And my name, as I've said, is Carl Pearson. I've had 40 years of experience in litigation, civil rights, commercial litigation, and I have the kind of experience which I would hope towns could use when they hire somebody similar to me to be able to enforce the various laws which, because of their non-enforcement over the past years since Richard Nixon basically, has caused this country to get into the mess that it's in. So one of the cures is to try to have enforcement of law, and I think law enforcement should be decentralized, and it should be brought down to the local level where people live and be done by the town, village, county, or city through the appointment of a town attorney general. Now let me explain a few things. I got this idea back in 2003 when I saw that Eliot Spitzer, who was then Attorney General in New York, was very effective to some extent in suing the major corporations, many of which we are even hearing about today as part of the cause of the economic difficulties of the country. And in 1 year, Eliot Spitzer received settlements of about $3 billion, none of which, as far as I know, was ever sent to any town, village, or county anywhere in New York State. So that kind of potential that the Attorney General showed existed back in 2003 is really what I wanted to bring down to the lowest level of government through the appointment of a town Attorney General, somebody who is familiar with the kinds of laws that you see now should have been enforced. The securities laws, the antitrust laws, those laws enforced by the Justice Department, the Federal Trade Commission, the EEOC, the state attorneys general, and other government agencies. We've had a notable lack of enforcement, and the result is that this country economically has gone haywire. The way of bringing it back is to create law enforcement at the lowest level of government. An advantage is that when the lowest level of government obtains a settlement, they can use that money, which is really the return of stolen money, by the way. It's the return of money that was taken from the town, and use that money in order to pay for health care for the residents, to market a database of tasks that the town people, residents, are willing to perform in order to bring money into the town for the residents, to lower their real estate and taxes and rent, and to provide free broadband services for the town. This is what the town attorney general can do. Basically, the town attorney general would be in competition with the local criminal prosecutor that's normally at the county level for the important crimes, to see who can bring the greatest good for the area. And that would be obviously the town attorney general, because the town attorney general would be enforcing the rights of people rather than trying to put them in jail and destroy their families. We need some criminal law enforcement, but basically we've had too much because it's an obvious stepping stone for appointment or election to higher office, and they step all over people, run all over them in the criminal area, and the town attorney general would also have the duty of trying to stop the excesses of the local prosecutor, and to that extent also be in competition with the local prosecutor. The town attorney general is a necessary balance, constitutional offset to the prosecutor, I believe. So if you want to learn more about the town attorney general, I have a website, www.townattorneygeneral.com. Also, you can read more about the town attorney general in my electionissuesus.com website, which I'm displaying to you here. You can call me at my phone number, which I have displayed here, and it's part of an overall package of 4 items that I think can bring prosperity to any town or village in the United States or any small city, consisting of the appointment of a town attorney general, the database to create a task marketplace to bring in income of $25,000 to $50,000 a year per participant, to set up a free or $2,000 per year tuition, low-cost college, equivalency college for the area, and to provide joint payroll administration for small businesses and homeowners who hire domestics in the area. All of that will bring prosperity to the town. It's self-help. We don't need a stimulus package for the town. In fact, I'm sure we're not going to get one, but we can do something ourselves. It doesn't really cost anything. We ought to do it. Look at my website once again. Give me a call, and let's get going. Let's bring prosperity back to the country. Thank you.